Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a social media growth plan using Later for repurposing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Later and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Connect your social media accounts to Later by clicking on the Accounts tab. Select the social media platforms you want to connect. Authorize Later to access your accounts as prompted. Now, go to the Content tab to start planning your posts. Upload your media files by dragging and dropping them into the media library. Alternatively, click on the Upload Media button to select files from your computer. Organize your media by tagging or using folders for easy access. Next, use the calendar view to schedule your posts. Drag your media files onto the days you want to publish. Adjust the time slots as needed by clicking on the scheduled post. Add captions, hashtags, and any other relevant information for each post. Utilize Later's link in .bio for adding links to your posts, especially important for Instagram. Now, focus on repurposing content for various platforms. Select a post and click on the Repurpose option. Choose the platform you'd like to repurpose content for. Edit the content to fit the platform's requirements, such as image dimensions and text limits. Once everything looks good, schedule your repurposed content in the same way. Use Later's analytics to track the performance of your posts. Analyze the data to understand what resonates with your audience. Adjust your strategy based on these insights for future content. Finally, consistently review and update your social media growth plan as needed. With this structured approach, you'll effectively grow your social media presence using Later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.